Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. My name is Afolake and this is Flookiesden. Thanks for joining me today. It's a pleasure to have you and I'm so excited that you have come my way today. So if you're seeing this video for the first time, my name is Afolake and this is Flookiesden, and we share stories, events and experiences about happenings in Saskatchewan, talk about how you can immigrate to Canada. Depends on what you're looking forward to, and I share my experience, I share people's experience, and also take you through the journey, what to expect, what to prepare for, what to bring along, and everything in between. Don't miss out on watching my vlog and so many that I've posted in the past. You will definitely find useful information that will help you through your journey to immigration if that's the way you're looking forward to going through. I just thought, like someone asked me, that I've not really gone through the $1 store here in Canada or Saskatoon, and I thought it was a good opportunity for me to do that. I was going to pick a few things from Dollarama, our $1 store here, and I felt, why not just take you through the store and see what they have in the store, what you can buy for cheap. Is not totally $1 in that sense, but you can really find something extremely inexpensive and worth your while. So it's the one at Preston. It's really a smaller one compared to other stores, but yeah, you can find same things all around the dollar store here in Saskatoon. So feel free, watch and enjoy the vlog. back from the dollar store. Well, I just thought I should just wrap up this vlog right here when I got home. So thank you guys for watching through the dollar store. If there's still anything or more things you want me to bring your way, I can definitely do that. Thank you so much guys for joining. Subscribe to this channel if you're new and have not done so. Put on your notification bell and let's join the tribe. Thank you so much everyone. See you again in another vlog. Have a blessed day. Bye for now. Bye.